Welcome to another episode of Laser Learning. Today, we'll be going through how to create a Lazerpay Payment Button. The Lazerpay Payment Button is used to receive payment in crypto stablecoins from clients that want to purchase the services. It can be integrated with your app, website, or online e-commerce store. The Lazerpay Payment Button can also be used to receive, general business payments and donations depending on your use case. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is log into our dashboard right here. So right now you can see I'm on the Lazerpay website. Click on sign in to log in to our Lazerpay dashboard. You can see it right here. I'm now on my dashboard. Now that we're on the dashboard, what you want to do is click on payment buttons under the tools section. Awesome. You can see right here that the page is still empty because this is our first time creating a payment link, a payment button. So what I'm going to do now is click on create button and click on simple button. On this page you can see the button title and the button description. Now the button title is the text that will appear on your platform for users to click on for payment. It also gives Lazerpay, the hosting platform, an idea of what the payment is for. The button description details what the payment via the Lazerpay button is for. So what I'm going to do right here is just going to name this button title Pay via Crypto. And then let's say you are a subscription based platform and you want to receive payments, or you want people to fund their wallet. You can just add a button description that says this button is used to fund your crypto wallet, to purchase goods on the, let's call the name of the company Zazu platform. Awesome. So what you want to do now is click on next. As you can see here, you need to put in a fixed amount that people can fund their wallet with. What I'm going to do is input $10. Now you can also include your website URL. This is where your customers or your clients, after payment, they'll be redirected to. Ideally, this should be your website page or a specific page in your website that leads to a checkout or something of that nature. So you can just include that here and then click on next. Now you have the option to also select how you want the button to appear on your website. We have different styles here. As you can see, we have the blue, we have the brown, we have the white. So you just click on, I'm going to go with the white because I like white, that's my favorite color. And then I'll click on next. As you can see, it is now creating the payment button. Awesome. You can see here that the two options that we're giving you is the HTML code and the JavaScript code. Basically what you just can do, you can click on copy HTML code, and depending on the kind of platform that you use, you can then paste it into the HTML section on your website. You also have the option to copy the JavaScript code and also add it in the HTML section. We have different SDKs depending on your offerings. We have the Golang, we have the React Native, we have the Python SDK, we have the Laravel SDK, and many much more depending on what you need. If you are having any issues finding the one that suits your profile, you can always reach out to us at support@lazerpay.finance or across all our social media platforms, and we'll be able to set up a meeting for you to walk you through the integration process. As you can see now, we've successfully gotten our Lazerpay payment button code. So I'm going to click on close because I've copied both the JavaScript code and the HTML code for me to use on my website. When I click on close, it immediately takes me back to the payment button page where I can see all my details. I can see the name of the button, I can see the amount, I can see the button title, I can see the minute it was created, I can see down to the second, I can see the coin it was created in, and I can see the button. If you ever want to just check a button again, click on view button and then you can see here preview code. You can see that brought up the code again for you to copy if you ever lose it. Awesome. What we are going to do now is go back to the overview page, and that's it. Thank you for watching.